Jazzboat.
Looking for a great, unforgettable evening program in Budapest? If you'd like to see the highlights of Budapest illuminated from the River Danube and you're interested in a live jazz concert, then Budapest Jazzboat is the right choice for you. 4+1 in 1. A Danube River cruise, sightseeing, a jazz concert, a welcome drink, and an optional 3-course Hungarian dinner. What could be more astonishing than cruising along the Danube River under the marvelous bridges, watching the illuminated sights of Budapest? We start our tour from the oldest bridge in the city, the Chain Bridge. During this unique program, we pass by the Elizabeth Bridge, named after Sissi, the popular Hungarian queen. The Liberty Bridge, with the mystical eagles sitting on top of its pillars, as well as Margaret Bridge, which connects to Margaret Island. While floating on the blue Danube and passing by the spectacular Parliament building, you can take pictures of its illuminated facade and marvel at the beautifully lit sights of the Castle District, the Fisherman's Bastion, Matthias Church, and the former Royal Palace. A truly breathtaking experience. You can also enjoy the many other special, beautifully illuminated buildings, like the Hungarian Academy of Sciences, Hotel Gellért, the National Theatre, and the Palace of Arts. During the sightseeing cruise, enjoy the performance of a great jazz band playing a wide repertoire of well-known international songs, pop adaptations, and their own melodies. Just let the jazz music take you away as you spend a truly memorable evening on our jazz boat. Make the evening with your partner even more romantic and choose the optional dinner with our delicious 3-course Hungarian meal. The drink bar warmly welcomes you with a wide range of alcoholic and soft drinks throughout the evening. Don't hesitate. Book your seat now at budapestjazzboat.com.